So today I will be showing you how to make a basic header in a Word document. So usually the teachers, they like either a Calibri or a Times New Roman, something that is easy to read. Usually a minimal font of 11 or 12. I personally like to use 12. A header usually consists of first your name, and then the teacher, the professor whose class you are in. So in this case it would be Dr. Leary. The name of the class, and usually put a section number just to clarify things. Last but not least, you just put today's date. Usually make that double space. So you go up here to paragraph,